Welcome back, day 19, 30 days, 30 opals. Got this triplet glued up, has color all the way over to here. This side didn't have color, so we're going to be losing this half. Haven't done one. I don't think I've done one yet on this channel, but I'm going to attempt to freeform this opal. So anyway, here we go. Day 18, 30 days, 30 opals. Alright, we've kind of roughed off that. I'm going to go ahead and take this down. I'm going to take this across a couple of 3 wheels, polish the top so that I can see where the color is better to shape that freeform. So let's lose some cap. Alright, that's probably as much as I want to take off for now. I'm just going to go ahead and polish these real quick on these other wheels, and then I'll be right back. Good enough for me to see where that color stops on this top opal. Might have to hit it with one more wheel. Okay. I can see color right down to here. So I'm going to take that off first. Alright, and then get rid of all this around the edges. On this edge. Alright, there we go. So now, shape this. Like that. shape of an angle. There's a little bit more on the top. Alright, now go to lose just a touch more height. I think we need it completely tall. And then let's start to put our girdle on it. A little bit more. And that's probably good enough for this wheel. We'll go to the next and refine that shape a little bit more. Okay, I think that's about it. We'll move to the next one and finish shaping it. Next wheel will kind of take all the little irregularities out of it. And give us our nice smooth dome top. Okay, let's move to the next wheel. Let's start to polish. Nice, doing a good job.
Wow, must be nice to have good quality cameras.
Yes.
This is new? That's new? Wow.
You know? Not the key. Alright, there we go. Polish it on the cerium oxide wheel, and then we'll call this one good. Okay, here we go. Day 19's opal. 30 days, 30 opals. It's got a little bit of that white from the opal layer that we couldn't get out, but it's got some pretty decent flashes of color if we can get them to show up. It's really heavy flashed up here, and it gets lighter as it goes farther and farther. But anyway, there you go. Day 19, 30 days, 30 opals. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of this community. Appreciate you guys. Thanks.